If you have a small space like a balcony or a courtyard, you won't want to lose half of it to bulky tools. And if you're away camping or out on the road, it's incredibly useful to be able to wash off your muddy boots, rinse the dog, or even give the car a once over. The Hoselink compact portable hose reel has been designed with all this in mind. It's small, durable, and lightweight enough to be carried anywhere to make every watering task effortless. One thing I love is its slim modern design. Its neutral colour blends into most outdoor spaces. Even better than that is its watering capability. Whether you're at home or away, you can keep your plants hydrated and rinse off the surfboard or wash down the caravan. You can even connect your favourite watering accessories, like this Hoselink shower spray wand, as it's the same reliable hose connection system. The compact reel has 10 metres of hose, which is 7mm in internal diameter, 2 metres of leader hose, and it comes with everything you need to get started, including an 8-pattern spray nozzle and a set of Hoselink's water-saving connectors. What's more, the whole thing weighs just 2.5 kilos and is easy to carry around thanks to the built-in handle. The included sprayer has a function for every job, from a shower spray ideal for watering plants to a jet stream for cleaning. When you're done, simply turn the crank handle to wind the hose neatly back inside. This is not only easy and convenient for you, but it prevents tangles and protects the hose from general wear and tear over time, meaning it will last for years to come. The compact reel has 2 ways it can connect to a tap, and it also has 2-in-1 storage functionality. It can be mounted to a wall or left freestanding, which is perfect for renters. And you can choose to connect either end to your garden tap. I personally like to connect the long hose end to the tap, so it automatically unwinds as I move around the garden. The reel may be small, but it's big on functionality.